In this section, we're going to go over how to solve an equation by taking the square root. Our step list will be check if you can add or subtract, multiply or divide, then square root. So I check x squared. I cannot add or subtract anything away from it. There's nothing in front to multiply it by, so I do the third step and square root. The square root of 64 is a positive or negative 8. Next one on 32, there's nothing I can add or subtract, nothing in front to multiply or divide. Square root, x equals plus or minus 7. 33, add or subtract, nothing. Then I check the front. Ooh, it's being multiplied by 7, so I undo by dividing. After that, I have a squared all by itself, so I can square root. A equals plus or minus 1. I have a negative 6 attached to my n squared, so I can add 6 to get the n squared all by itself. Then I square root both sides and get n equals plus or minus 2. If you want to check it on your calculator, you just do second square root 4, and it's a 2. And then you need plus or minus in front. On this one, I can minus the 7 from both sides. 8x squared equals 392. Now I check, can I multiply or divide? I can divide by this 8. X squared is equal to 392 divided by 8, which is 49. Then to get rid of that power, we square root it and get x equals plus or minus 7. Check, can I add or subtract? I can subtract the 10. 9b squared equals 36. Divide by 9. B squared equals 4. To get rid of the power, you square root it. B equals plus or minus 2. And that is how you solve a quadratic equation by taking the square root.